there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using His Grace, and this is the cute little card that we're making today. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our embossing. I have a piece of Petal Promenade, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. I am going to get my embossing buddy. I'm just going to run it across here. So we are using His Grace, and we're going to be using Rejoicing in His Grace. I have my VERSAMARK ink pad, and I have this mounted on Clear Block D. So just going to put it right down here in the right hand corner. Now I have my copper embossing powder. I have a dimensional top in there. I do love my dimensionals. Alright, so we'll get that out of the way. Close this up. And I'm going to come in with my heat tool. Let this warm up for a second. All right. Now I'm going to bring in my Big Shot. Set that aside. And I have a piece of copper foil sheet. And then I have this cross from the Cross of Hope. Pretty cool, so I'm going to keep that and maybe use that on a different card. Alright, so we'll put this card together. Our card base is Whisper White Thick, and it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. I'm going to come in with my SNAIL adhesive. So just like that, I kind of like that just as it is. And next I'm going to go ahead and pop up our cross here. This is a beautiful stamp set for Easter. All right, because it's got different, it's got He is risen, may His precious gift be yours, and God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son. And then this little bird. Usually see that bird as the dove is a sign of peace. So I knew whenever I seen this in the catalog, I had to have it. So I'm going to put this up here in the left-hand corner. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple Easter card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below.